Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ultra-wide camera mode on your Samsung Galaxy A27. Now, what are we going to do is we're going to open up the camera app. Here, we can choose between what we want to use. So, as you guys can see, we can go and go for the slider. Now, normally we will have it as 1. But we can change it to ultra wide and we can tap on 05. Now we got a bigger angle, and now let me quickly take a picture with the same angle with 0.5 and 1. So here we have our results. This is the normal one, this is the 05, so you guys can see that there's a lot more. You just click on the 0.5 here and it will work just fine. You can also just do that, so you can swipe with your fingers. And what you guys want to do next is simply go over and just tap here. So that's what you guys can do, and that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.